This is a replacement windshield washer fluid reservoir cap. This one's for the Mazda CX-5s from 2013 all the way to 2024. It's a direct fit. It's a two-piece cap. It comes in this plastic case. Inside of the plastic case, you have this sealed plastic bag that has the cap inside. Here it is outside of there. You have the two pieces, the stem and the blue cap. This is what the stem looks like. Here's the cap with the washer fluid symbol on there. It looks just like the original. We're going to try this on the car in a minute, but give you a close-up look of this. I like the quality of it. Here I flipped it over and just simply snapped the stem into the cap from the bottom, and this is how it looks. It looks really professional, really OEM. And here's another angle of that, and you see how it'll sit down in the car. We're going to go outside to the vehicle now and see how this works. Here it is on the Mazda CX-5. Just going to take this and I'm doing this one hand, feed this in, and you may have to wiggle it because of the ridges in there. You may have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it in, but it will go in pretty easily, especially if you're using two hands. And there, you just feed it down in there and just snap it on, and it's perfect, just like it came from the factory or the dealership. I really recommend this cap, guys. It is perfect. It fits perfectly. It'll work for what you want. So go ahead and click the link and purchase your own. I don't think you'll regret it.